Hello everyone, my name is Kinjal. I run a very cute, very small online record store called Rosa Record. Today we are going to talk about something that is very important when you start your vinyl record journey, and that's a turntable. There are two types of turntables, automatic and manual, and as a beginner I would suggest you go with an automatic turntable first because it's pocket friendly. Second, there are good options for beginners in it, and third, because you're just starting out, and why do you want to get into all the technicalities already, right? Anyway, so the most affordable automatic turntable that I can recommend to anyone who's starting their journey is Denon DP29F. It has a built-in preamp, and it also is extremely easy to set up. All you need with that is powered speakers, active speakers, whatever you call it. With Denon there's another option as well. It's called Audio Technica LP60X, but there's not much of a difference between DP29F and LP60X, so you can go ahead with any of the turntables that you like. We will be showing you how to set up DP29F today. DP29F comes with a dust cover, the aluminum plate that you keep on the spindle, and with a rubber mat. What you see here is an option to toggle the preamp on or off. So before you set up your turntable, we recommend you just switch it to on. So when you are setting up the rubber belt on the motor, all you have to do is remove this sellotape, use these ribbons to pull the belt towards the motor, place it on the motor, there you go. And then just to check if it has been put properly, you just rotate the platter. So this is the dust cover, and pretty easy to put it on the turntable. All you have to do is place it here. Just check once if it's placed properly. That's it, you're done. All you have to do now is plug, and then you play it. So now you plug this in. Here's the speaker wires. So we'll be connecting the speaker wires to the powered speakers. In this case, it's Edifier 1280. And just for the sake of ease, we have already connected the speakers. And now your turntable is good to go. As you see, it is very simple to set it up. A couple of drawbacks here. This is a belt drive turntable, so you have to keep on changing the belt, maybe like once in 3 years or once in 4 years, depends on how well you maintain your record player, also how often you use your record player. Second, you cannot change the cartridge completely. If you want, you can't upgrade it, so you'll have to use the same or a similar cartridge for it. We recommend Rega Carbon Stylus. That is perfect for Denon, for LP60X, etc. Honestly, there's no other drawback as such, except for the fact that you can't play 78 RPM records on your Denon DP29F, but I honestly don't think it's a pain point. You'll find the DP29F turntable, the Audio Technica LP60X turntable, and also something known as a beginner's pack, which we have made specially for people who are very new to the vinyl record journey, the analog journey. That consists of Edifier 1280D speakers, which are active speakers, and a Denon 29F turntable.